Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Max.
I feel happy today.
Me too, Max. Today we will help at home.
Help at home.
Yes, helping is good.
Okay, I will help.
Are you ready to start?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay, Mom, let's go.
Here are the shopping bags.
I can help with them.
Please open the bag slowly.
Okay, I will open it. I see apples in the bag.
Yes, those are apples.
Where do the apples go?
Put them in the bowl, please.
I put the apples in the bowl.
Good job, Max.
I like helping you.
Thank you, Max.
I see bananas now.
Yes, bananas are yellow.
Where do the bananas go?
Put them on the fruit tray.
I put the bananas here.
Very good.
What is next, Mom? Next, we put the milk away.
Please take the milk.
Okay, I have the milk.
Put it in the fridge.
Yes, I will.
Please put the juice on the shelf.
Okay, I can do that.
Put it carefully, please.
Yes, carefully. The juice is on the shelf.
Nice and neat.
I feel proud, Mom.
I am proud of you too. Now let's clean the table.
Yes, I want to clean.
Wipe the table, please.
Okay, I will wipe it. Wipe, wipe, wipe.
Good cleaning, Max.
The table looks clean now.
Yes, it looks very clean.
Please put the cloth here.
Okay, cloth goes here.
Thank you for listening.
You're welcome, Mom. Now wash your hands, Max.
Okay, I will wash them.
Use soap and water.
Yes, soap and water. My hands are clean.
Great job!
Can I help more?
Yes, we can do more. Let's take a small break.
Okay, a small break.
Sit down for a moment.
Yes, I will sit. I feel a little tired.
That is okay.
I still feel happy.
I am happy too. Now we can help again.
Yes, I am ready.
Let's check the living room.
Okay, Mom.
Hello, Max.
Hello, Dad.
Are you helping today?
Yes, I am helping.
Please pick up your toys.
Okay, I will pick them up.
Put the toys in the box.
Yes, in the box. I picked up the toy car.
Good job!
I put it in the box.
Very nice. Your floor looks better now.
Yes, it looks clean.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome, Dad. Hi, Max. Hi, Lily. What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Do you want to help me? Yes, I want to help.
Let's pick up the toys.
Okay, let's do it. I will pick up the ball. I will pick up the blocks. Toys go in the box. Yes, in the box. The toy box is here.
Yes, put them inside.
I put my toys in.
I put my toys in too.
Now the floor is clear. Yes, it looks nice. Let's make the bed. Okay, I can help. Pull the blanket up. Okay, I pull it. Smooth it gently. Yes, gently. The bed looks good now.
Yes, it looks neat.
Good job, Max.
Thank you, Lily.
Let's put books on the shelf. Okay, I like books. One book goes here. One book goes there. The shelf looks tidy.
Yes, very tidy.
Our room looks nice.
I like it too.
Cleaning is helpful.
Yes, it is helpful.
I feel happy helping you.
I feel happy too. Max, is your room clean?
Yes, Mom, it is clean.
Did Lily help you?
Yes, Lily helped me.
That is wonderful.
I feel proud.
Thank you for cleaning.
You're welcome, Mom.
Let's check the living room now.
Okay, Mom.
Please fold the blanket.
Yes, I will fold it. I fold the blanket like this.
Good folding.
Where do I put it?
Put it on the sofa, please.
Hi, Max. Hi, Tom. What are you doing today? I am helping at home. What do you help with? I put food away. That sounds good. Yes, it is good.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room.
I clean my room too.
Great job, Tom. Helping makes me happy.
Helping makes me happy too.
We are good helpers.
Yes, we are. See you later, Max.
See you later, Tom.
Keep helping at home.
Yes, I will. Hello, Max. Hello, Emma. How was your day? My day is good. What did you do today? I helped my family. What did you help with? I cleaned and organized. I helped my dad at home. That is very nice. Helping feels good. Yes, it feels good. Do you like cleaning? Yes, a little. I like cleaning too. We are similar. Bye, Max. Bye, Emma. See you next time. Yes, see you. Lily, I helped a lot today. Yes, I saw you helping. Did you like helping me? Yes, I liked it. The room looks clean now. Yes, it looks great. Clean feels nice. Clean feels nice to me too.
We work together.
Yes, teamwork is good.
Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome, Max. Are you tired now?
A little tired.
But you are happy.
Yes, I am happy. Let's rest for a moment.
Okay, let's rest.
Today was a good day.
Yes, a good day.
Max, you helped a lot today.
Yes, I helped a lot.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome, Mom.
Helping is important.
Yes, it is important.
You are growing up.
I am growing up. I feel proud of myself.
I am proud of you too.
Helping makes me happy.
Helping makes our home happy. Tell our friends your message.
Okay, Mom. Friends, you can help at home.
Yes, you can help too.
Thank you for watching, friends.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
See you next time.